Today we're staying in this little Airbnb in Dayton, Ohio. And surprisingly, this is our first time in Ohio. What do you do in Ohio? It's very flat here. But what we didn't know, our Airbnb was hiding something. I think this is actually a clue of something that we have to find in the house. It was hiding clues around the house that would actually unlock a secret room.
Oh my gosh, wait, this is crazy. Wait, what? Dun, 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 dun. We made it.
We made it to 8:30. That's the address of the house. I guess I kind of just doxed ourselves. Now you know where we're staying, but if you want to stay at the Airbnb, you can actually click the link in the description and book this place for yourself. So that's pretty cool.
But keep watching. That way you can find out if it's cool enough. Don't book it now because you guys don't know what's on the inside. So.
Well, let's go on the inside and see what it looks like.
All right, let's do it.
Oh.
Whoa.
Right when you walk in, the first thing that I noticed was all of the cool, funky interior design. And the striped couch. Kind of looks like a tiger.
Wait, this is really cool. All right, guys. Welcome to mi casa. Okay, so right off the bat, I'm already noticing like an animal theme. There was a tiger doormat and the carpet looks like a deer.
Wait, how does that look like a deer?
It looks like Bandy. Anywho, I'm liking it, so let's move on.
You have your living room here, and then right off the side of it is a bedroom.
Okay, this looks like a bedroom, but I kind of want to stick to like the main spaces first.
And also more seating than we're gonna know what to do with.
All right, a little bit of dinner time.
A very nice dining room with a glass table where you can sit here over dinner and talk about Ohio things.
Got some fine china. This is a lot of cups. Who's gonna host a dinner party with all this stuff? Okay, the robe is mine. I called it. There's only one, but it's mine. We're in the bathroom. I'm actually loving that like everything matches, everything's gold. Okay, this is another bedroom.
Up next, we have a beautiful full kitchen. There's everything in here that you could need.
This is so cute. This little kitchen. Oh my gosh, little hanging cups. Okay, I'm having a cappuccino then.
And of course, our favorite room, which is this. This beautiful little sunroom and reading nook. This is such a cozy space.
Forget about it. I don't need to see the rest of the house. Are we joking? Guys, I've got 3 different types of ways to make coffee in the morning. This is adorable. Oh, a book in the morning with this light.
And little did we know about the secrets this house had. But we were soon gonna find out. I'll move outside to the back patio. Let's go check this thing out. All right, this is a pretty nice little back deck here. Again, way more seats than we have friends, but that's all right. There's this other little shed to my side here. I'm assuming that's just a garage for storage though. Let's, we could grab the rest of our stuff from the car and move our stuff in though. Actually, I'm gonna check in here just to, let me double check. Oh, wait a second. It's like, oh, this is awesome. We got 2 bicycles, pickleball paddles, which I am very excited for. And then this is the tiniest pickleball court. Haha. As you can see, we are pickleball pros. All right, well, that's the house tour so far. I don't know where Tyme went, so I'm gonna go find her.
What? Nothing to see here.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
What do we got back here?
No, this is, you know.
Oh, wow. You literally already moved all of our stuff in? Wait, you literally put everything in the... What?
Yes,
That's great. All right, well, she already moved everything in. I guess we're settled in now.
Also, how fun is this over in the corner? It's literally like a mini desk area, and I just love all the wallpapers in this house. It's just so fun. Love it.
This house is amazing, and it's plenty of room for us while we're staying here in Ohio. And we were just about ready to get started with our day when I ended up finding this little note.
Oh, wait. There's an envelope behind you.
I assumed it was from the host. So this must be from the host. Wait, what? I don't know what this... okay, so I assumed this note was gonna be like, I don't know, just something from the host, like welcome Tyme and Andy or something, or at least like an instructions on the Airbnb, you know, if you're looking for the keys or turn the lights off here. But I'm actually very confused on what this is. Where the petals bloom and lights do glow above me, skies and bright blue show. 2 pillars stand proud, painted black, a wild one guards the welcome track. Love and search beneath to find what's more. Is this like a basement to somewhere? I have no idea what's down here. It's locked. All right, this door is definitely locked. I'm very confused by this. Is this just like a maintenance closet when this is thrown? I think this is actually a clue. I think this is, okay, this is cool. I think this is actually a clue of something that we have to find in the house.
Where the petals bloom and the skies are blue. So that's outside, right?
I mean, here's some flowers. Petals bloom. Bright blue skies. We're getting close. This is a There's a door here, but that doesn't make sense. That's not it.
2 pillars stand proud, painted black. Okay, the whole house is white. A wild one guards the welcome. Okay, this is the only part of the house that's black, and there's 2 black pillars, so it has to be out here somewhere. I don't know what I'm looking for. Am I looking for another piece of brown paper? Is that what I'm looking for? Flower blooming.
Wait, oh, all right. I feel like Nicolas Cage here. It's all coming together. 2 pillars guard the welcome. What was it, the clue? A wild one guards.
A wild one guards the welcome.
All right, wait. Look under, look under.
Wait.
No way.
Wait. This riddle will get you inside.
What's it?
Okay, wait. Okay, wait. Go
What
where
does it say? What does it say?
Go where glass divides, inside from out, and leafy cats are creeping about. In the book room. Come on. Right?
What's it say?
Go where glass divides the inside and out, which is the door.
Yeah. Scholar waits with a proper seat. All right, take a seat. Turn your gaze slightly higher, where stories rest and thoughts inspire.
The books. Find
The red with words that plead among the shelves.
Feel free. Oh, wait, there's a book. Feel free. Wait. Feel free. This is the book. Wait, it's in
Open
here.
its cover. Don't delay. First clue waits on the first page.
There's a clue. Okay. Follow the walk where the shadows fall toward a door painted black.
Was it? So
Wait, 79.
It was the black door. That's what.
Wait, there's another door. Wait, guys, this is crazy. What was it?
Wait, what was it good? I forgot it.
7. Wait, what? Should I go down there?
Yeah,
Oh my gosh, wait, this is crazy. What? We gotta. Wait, what? It's a whole nother house. Wait! Dude, there's an air hockey table.
This is awesome.
Oh my gosh. Okay, that was not what I was expecting at all.
Turns out we have a little secret speakeasy in our house. That's pretty sick. This is the lounge, the living room, watching television. You can even watch from Tyme and Andy. Hit that subscribe button. What else we got down here? This is pretty nice. See the Ace of Hearts? No, you don't.
Now, you're probably wondering why we are even in Ohio in the first place, and that's a good thing to wonder. We were also wondering why our backyard smelled like chicken wings.
Chicken wings.
And well, that would be because right behind where we are staying is a small little bar with apparently the best burgers in Dayton. But no, we didn't travel all this way just to try this burger, although it was actually pretty good. And no, it wasn't just for the pickleball.
And lucky for us, the pickleball court is walking distance from the Airbnb. What are we doing out here?
Playing pickleball.
And although the mystery of finding a hidden speakeasy in our house, that was pretty cool too.
Yay!
But no, that's not it either. We actually had something else planned for tomorrow.
Good morning. Let's make some coffee. Now they have a pour over and a French press, but I think I'm gonna go for the pour over. Now you guys know me, obviously I am a iced coffee drinker, but we're gonna go warm this morning. Why not try the pour over? All right, here we go. I think you call it percolating when it's like doing little dripping things, so right now it's percolating. Do you have a coffee?
Awesome coffee.
This wasn't in the plans, guys. I didn't make enough.
Oh. I won't have coffee then.
This little like coffee corner is so cute. Like this is a dream setup. I love it so much. It's so good. In the bus, I'm definitely taking some inspiration for Tyme's Cafe. That's like so cute. If you're watching this video and it's also the morning time or you're having coffee, then let's have coffee together. First sip. Guys, it's actually so good. So good.
And that is where this story leaves off. Only a short road trip away, crossing state lines into Kentucky.
Okay, so first impressions. It's bigger than I thought.
Oh, is it